Hey, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset Epson L380 printers. First, you can download the resetter. The link I put into description, so you can just go to description and click download link. First, you must disable antivirus. Please try using Windows Defender. Choose filters and threat protection. Please disable the real-time protection. I will disable here. I disable all antivirus. If you have installed antivirus in your computer, you must disable it first. And then extract this. Okay, open your resetter in here. First, open the readme. This is instruction how to reset your Epson L380. Okay, we need to change date to August 1st, 2017. Let's adjust date and time. Okay, I will choose 2017 in here. And August with date 1. Click OK. Now my date is 1st August 2017. Then open Adjust Work and Show Registration key windows. Double click in here, guys. And then you can copy this. Okay, open Keygen. Give the name is nosware.com and the license ID is we need just space, and click new key and copy this key. Open your adjustproc.x and paste in here. Now click OK. Now you can select model to L380. Click OK and select particular adjustment mode and choose was inkpad counter. Click OK. Check this main pad counter and press check button. After check button, press initialize. And the last is click finish and turn off your computers. Because I don't have this printer, I don't press this. But you must press this check button and initialize in your printer. Thanks for watching. Hope this helpful. Bye bye.